How to replace a lost ZIMSEC certificate, a step-by-step guide. Losing a ZIMSEC Ordinary or Advanced Level certificate can feel like a major setback, especially when you are actively applying for employment, tertiary intakes, or overseas opportunities. Fortunately, ZIMSEC does not leave you stranded. The Council issues an official replacement document known as a Certifying Statement of Results, which holds the same legal standing as your original certificate. Step 1. Gather your exam details. To kickstart the application, you must provide your original sitting credentials. Candidate, index number, center number and center name, school name. Year of examination and session, June or November. Full candidate name, as it appeared on the original exam registration. Pro tip: if you cannot remember your candidate or center number, ZIMSEC will locate your records for a USD $10 search fee, or the local currency equivalent at prevailing bank rates. Step 2. Obtain and complete the application form. Download the ZGCE Certifying Statement form from the official ZIMSEC website, zimsec.co.zw, or pick up a hard copy at any ZIMSEC regional office nationwide. Fill out every required section completely. Step 3. Pay the application fees. The standard fees per examination session must be settled before processing begins. Level, base fee, per session. Pipe pipe. Ordinary level, O level, USD $85, or local equivalent. Advanced level, A level, USD $95, or local equivalent. Record search fee, if details are missing, USD $10, or local equivalent. Local applicants. Payments can be made directly at any regional ZIMSEC office or deposited into ZIMSEC's designated local accounts. International applicants. Payment must be wired to ZIMSEC's Nostro account, e.g., CBZ Nostro. You will also need to cover additional courier, DHL shipping fees for dispatch. Step 4. Submit your application. Deliver your completed form along with your proof of payment via either of these channels. In person, visit any ZIMSEC regional office nationwide. Via email, send scanned copies to confirmation@zimsec.co.zw. Step 5. Collection and delivery. Self-collection. You must present a valid government-issued photo ID upon collection. Third-party collection. A family member or representative can collect the document on your behalf only if they present a signed power of attorney from you alongside the valid ID. International dispatch. International applicants will have the document delivered directly via the selected courier service. Popular hashtags for hot Zimbabwe jobs. If you are sorting out your replacement certificate to step up your job search, use these high-visibility social media hashtags across LinkedIn, X, Twitter, and Facebook to track down the latest vacancies. Hashtag Zimbabwe jobs. Hashtag vacancies in Zimbabwe. Hashtag hot Zimbabwe jobs. Hashtag a Herrera jobs. Hashtag vacancy mail. Hashtag CV People Africa. Hashtag work in Zimbabwe. Hashtag graduate traineeism. Hashtag Harare jobs. Hashtag IngoJob Zimbabwe. Helpful job search resources. For a comprehensive walkthrough of the recruitment platforms and career avenues available once your paperwork is sorted, check out Your Ultimate Guide to Finding the Hottest Job Vacancies in Zimbabwe. https://youtube.be/zq9rxa1wppm. C equals CV1Z Kikesov 1Z9J. This video gives a clear rundown of top Zimbabwean job portals, recruitment agencies, and effective strategies for landing hot vacancies nationwide.